Welcome to aminacademy.com. In engineering mechanics, let us discuss about screw friction. The screw, bolt, studs, nut, etc. are widely used in various machines and structures for fastening. These fastenings have screw threads, which are made by cutting a continuous helical groove on a cylindrical surface. If the threads are cut on the outer surface of a solid rod, these are known as external threads. But if the threads are cut in the internal surface of the halo rod, these are known as internal threads. The screw threads are mainly two types: V threads and square threads. V threads are stronger and faster, offer more frictional resistance to motion than square threads. Moreover, the V threads have an advantage of preventing the nut from slackening. It will be increasing to know that the V threads are used for the purpose of tightening pieces together, like bolts and nuts. Square threads are used in screw jacks, vice screws, etc., which are used for lifting heavy loads. The following terms are important for the study of screws. Now, some important terms on screw we'll discuss. Helix. It is a curve traced by particle while describing a circular path at a uniform speed and advancing in the axial direction at a uniform rate. Look at this figure. Here, these are screw threads. And it is used to lift the load by turning the rod or nut by using spanner, something like. Pitch. It is a distance from one point of thread to the corresponding point on the next thread. Suppose this is a first thread and the corresponding position is here. The second thread, this is P, pitch. Next one, lead. It is the distance through which a screw thread advances axially in one turn. Suppose if you turn a nut, bolt or nut for one complete turn, regarding that, the bolt advances some axial distance. That distance is called one turn. This is called lead. Depth of thread. It is the distance between the top and bottom surface of a thread, also known as crest or root of thread. Single threaded screw. If the lead of a screw is equal to its pitch, it is known as single thread screw. Means for one turn, the axial moment is one pitch. Multi-threaded screw. If more than one threads are cut in one lead distance of a screw, it is known as multi-threaded screw. Mathematically, lead equal pitch into number of threads. Suppose double-threaded screw means for one lead distance there is a two threads are there. Slope of a thread. It is inclination of the thread with the horizontal. Like here, look at this figure. Here, this the surface is inclined with the horizontal with angle alpha. Now mathematically you can say slope of thread, it is the inclination of the thread with the horizontal. Mathematically, tan alpha equal lead of screw with the circumference of the screw. Here, this is lead of the screw. Here, this is 2 pi r is the circumference of one thread. Then we can say, now we can express tan alpha equal P pitch over pi d if it is a single thread, and if it is a for single thread, for multi-thread tan alpha equal P over n pi d, where n is number of threads for one lead. Here, where alpha equal angle of inclination of the thread, angle of inclination of thread, P, small p equal pitch of the screw, d equal diameter of thread in one lead. Diameter of the mean diameter, it's a mean diameter of the screw. N equal number of threads in one lead. We have done. For forthcoming videos, let us discuss about screw jack and solving problem. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.